Bollywood entertainment, Bollywood gossip, Bollywood classics,
मुझको क्या हुआ है
to the latest hits,
मैं पानी पानी हो गई.
local news and events happening around town, giveaways and lots of masti. This is Namaste Radio.
Every Saturday at 10 a.m. on 99.5 FM with your hosts Vanshika, Sushil and Dolly D.
Listen online at namasteradiohouston.com. Download the app, available on your Android and iPhone.
Namaste Radio.
अरे यार, I had a long day at work and need a spot to relax.
I want to meet up with my friends, but I can't think of a place. Or maybe I just want to get out and enjoy some positive vibes.
Don't worry, I have the right spot for you. Bob's Lounge and Grill.
Bob's Lounge and Grill?
That's right, Bob's Lounge and Grill. They have a full-size bar, hookah, delicious menu with Indian, Chinese and Goan dishes. और साथ में म्यूजिक भी है.
Wow, sounds delicious.
Located at 6401 Hillcroft Avenue. Call 281-974-4918. That's 281-974-4918. Or visit them at bobsloungeandgrill.com. Like Bob's Lounge and Grill on Facebook and Instagram.
Classy Divas Salon and Spa invites you for a refreshing facial experience with a papaya facial as a part of our Facial of the Month deal. Available any Tuesday in the month of June for just $30.
Classy Divas Salon and Spa is open Tuesday through Friday, 12 noon to 7 p.m. and Saturday and Sunday from 12 noon to 6 p.m.
For appointments, please text
And Twitter.
The heat is on. Chili chicken, gobi Manchurian, all your favorites sizzling fresh at our lanes. This is the summer of new hopes and new beginnings. Shake off the cobwebs and dine with us at our lanes. Celebration meals are always a breeze when you bring your family to Arling's Chinese. Shake off the cobwebs and dine with us at our lanes. Halal menu available. Visit arlingschinese.com.
Visit Maharaja Bhog today and enjoy the best premium veg thali and experience royalty with an unlimited sit-down thali.
Dine in like a king and queen at Maharaja Bhog. Different kind of unlimited items on the menu every day. All safety guidelines are being followed.
Located at 8338 Southwest Freeway. Delivery available via Uber Eats, Grubhub and Faber apps. To-go boxes bhi available hain. For details call 713-771-2464 and follow Maharaja Bhog on Facebook.
Eat like royalty only at
Maharaja Bhog.
आज अमित ने अपना वैक्सीनेशन करवाया क्योंकि सब लोग 12 इयर्स एंड ओल्डर कोविड-19 वैक्सीन के लिए एलिजिबल हैं। अमित ने फिर वैक्सीन का लोकेशन पता किया अपनी बहन के लिए। उसकी बहन ने अपनी बेस्ट फ्रेंड को लिंक भेजा जिसने अपनी बिजनेस पार्टनर को रिमाइंड किया हु देन गॉट एन अपॉइंटमेंट अपने भाई के लिए जिन्होंने शेयर किया अपने यू गेट द आइडिया। अब वक्त आया है टू लेट आवर फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली नो कि वैक्सीन्स प्रिवेंट नियरली 100% ऑफ हॉस्पिटलाइजेशंस एंड डेथ्स फ्रॉम कोविड। We can do this. अपने निकट वैक्सीन्स पाने के लिए आज ही vaccines.gov पर जाएं। Paid for by the US Department of Health and Human Services.
3, 2, 1.
Yo, what's up?
Baby, let's go.
Namaste. You're tuned in to Namaste Radio.
Namaste Radio.
That's right. Namaste, everyone. This is Namaste Radio, which comes every Saturday at 10 a.m. right here on 99.5 FM. That's right. This is Namaste Radio, and don't forget, you can listen to us online at namasteradiohouston.com. Download our app, available on iPhone and Android products, and listen to us on Amazon Alexa products. just say, hey Alexa, enable Namaste Radio Live. And you can listen to us anywhere in the world when you listen to us on our app and you listen to us on Amazon Alexa products or our website. And watch us live here in the studio, see all the Yangama, see all the great stuff happening in the studio on our Namaste Radio's Facebook page. So don't forget to like us on Facebook and like us on Instagram at Namaste Radio 3. My name is Dilip. Good morning, everybody. This is Namaste Radio. I'm joined by up sabki favorite Vanchika. Good morning, Vanchika. How are you?
Good morning, Houston, and good morning, Sandeep. I am doing good. आप कैसे हैं?
हम बहुत ठीक हैं.
आप ठीक हैं? तो अच्छा है. हम हमेशा यही उम्मीद रखते हैं कि आप ठीक रहें, ह्यूस्टन वाले ठीक रहें,
That's right.
सब लोग ठीक रहें, जहाँ भी रहें, खुश रहें, आबाद रहें, right? So welcome to our वेरी स्पेशल शो. हमारा वैसे हर शो बड़ा स्पेशल होता है, लेकिन आज और भी स्पेशल है बिकॉज वी हैव हमारी ह्यूस्टन की बहुत ही फेमस पर्सनालिटी हमारे स्टूडियो में आज आ चुकी हैं. एंड ऑफ कोर्स वी आर ऑनर्ड टू हैव अ हियर. एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी टू इंट्रोड्यूस हर बिकॉज वो मेरी बहुत अच्छी दोस्त भी हैं. तो मुझे बड़ी खुशी है कि आज वो यहाँ हमारे साथ हैं. So, with no further delays in saying who this is, अगर आप हमें Facebook Live पे देख रहे हैं, you already know who I'm talking about. Welcome to Namaste Radio in studio to our very own Dr. Namrata Sharma Goel.
Thank you, Namaste Radio, and namaste to all of you out there. We're going to have a power pack show today, so welcome to our show and good morning, Houston.
Good morning. So how is it feeling इधर आके in studio, क्योंकि phone पे Zoom पे तो हम बहुत बातें करते हैं.
You know, this is amazing. It's an amazing studio. It's a beautiful studio, center location. And, I used to do this back in high school and college. My parents had a radio show, Radio Jhankar. So I miss it, actually. I love it.
Wow, wonderful.
Brings back lots of good memories.
I know, it does. आपने मुझे इसके बारे में बताया था. And of course, we'll talk more in detail about this. But इससे पहले, let's kickstart our show. And Deep, please kickstart the show. Thank you.
That's right. Welcome to Namaste Radio. Welcome, Dr. Namrata. It's good to have you.
Thanks, Sandeep.
And yes, today's show is brought to you by Top of the Hour, brought to you by Bob's Lounge and Grill, the spot in Hillcroft that everybody needs to check out. 6401 Hillcroft Avenue, the talk of the town and the heart of Hillcroft, like I mentioned. Go and visit them today with great food, great ambience, full-size bar. They have a patio with patio furniture, TVs outside, and enjoy happy hour over there as well. That's Bob Lounge and Grill, 6401 Hillcroft Avenue, 832-310-8440. That's 832-310-8440. Bob'sLoungeandGrill.com. Like them on Facebook and Instagram. Again, Bob'sLoungeandGrill.com, 832-310-8440.
That's right. And we'll kickstart the show with our first song for the show. लेकिन उससे पहले I again want to welcome Dr. Namrata Sharma Goel. प्रोफेशनली तो हम जानते ही हैं, लेकिन पर्सनली शी इज सच अ फन पर्सन. एंड ऑफ कोर्स पंजाबी लड़की हैं. पंजाबी क्या बोलते हैं? कुड़ी पटाखा कुड़ी पटाखा है. तो आज आपको उनका उस तरफ दैट साइड ऑफ हर, उस तरफ मेरी यहाँ कभी हिंदी इंग्लिश मिक्स करते बड़ा मैसअप हो जाता है, लेकिन दैट साइड ऑफ हर जो आज आप देखेंगे, द फन, द बबली साइड ऑफ हर. सो आई एम सो हैप्पी दैट यू आर हियर अगेन. But now let's kickstart with the first song, and then we will be back talking about Bollywood with Mere Saath Deep and Dr. Namrata.
this song, I believe, Louis Padmavat, right? This one.
Yes, Padmavat,
Yeah.
and quite a controversial song if you remember, because इसमें the guy who played the character Jim Serb, he played kind of a to Alauddin Khilji, वो उनके right hand थे और उनके कभी कभार secret admirer भी दिखाया उन्हें. तो क्योंकि they did show the side of Alauddin Khilji which was quite controversial side. I mean वैसे तो उनके बारे में सब कुछ ही controversial था, लेकिन the other side of Alauddin Khilji, बट इस मूवी में इतना क्लियरली नहीं दिखाया. बस ये दिखाया कि ये उसे एडमायर कर रहे हैं, ना कि अलाउद्दीन खिलजी इन्हें एडमायर कर रहे हैं. एंड हमारी कॉफी भी आ चुकी है. थैंक यू सो मच शिमी.
Thank you.
सो यस, कमिंग बैक टू द बॉलीवुड पार्ट ऑफ इट, तो यस, अलाउद्दीन खिलजी के बारे में हम बात कर रहे थे. एंड जिम सर, ही इज सच अ वर्सेटाइल एक्टर. ही स्टार्टेड विद नीरजा.
Nirjav, yeah.
He was the main
hijacker.
protagonist, right? Yeah. And then he's also played this role, which was totally different from Nirja. Then he's played the villain role again in Sanju.
Sanju, yeah.
जो वो संजय दत्त को गंदी गंदी चीजें देना चाहते हैं. And also the latest one, which kind of, I thought it was a nice role, but it ended up not very nice, was in this web series. And you were talking about it.
Made in Heaven, yeah.
Made in Heaven.
Yeah.
Have you seen that
I
documentary?
have, and I actually love that series.
You do?
I can't wait for the second
The second season, yeah.
And उसमें ये he plays her husband.
An investor.
Yeah. Who has an extramarital affair with Kalki, right? Yeah.
So he's actually done a few plays behind the scenes with Kalki, and he's actually a theater guy. That's where he started from. Very talented. Born in the States, actually. He's born in Bombay, but he grew up in the States for a little bit. And he even went to Emory University in Atlanta.
Oh wow!
Yeah, and he did some theater here too. I've been researching a little bit about this guy.
And then you think that she knows only about kidneys. That's not true. She knows
Kids and kidneys and Bollywood.
That's a good one. Yeah.
She
told me that statement earlier. I was like, that's a good one.
Kids and kidneys in Bollywood.
Kidneys.
Yeah. She is big on Bollywood, and that's why we were so excited that आज वो आएंगी.
We know our favorite actor too, I think, or one of them at least.
The favorite.
The one and only.
The one and only.
Yes. And Bijay ji, thank you so much for tuning in. He's saying, बहुत अच्छा show चल रहा है. So thank you so much. Thank you. So about Jim Sir, the upcoming part about him is that he has, of course, जैसे हम सारी बातें कर रहे थे, लेकिन he will be playing Homi Baba. He was India's brightest nuclear physicist, and he will be playing that role. So kind of I feel suits him because इनको ये सारे character roles और ये सब बड़ा suit करता है.
And I think it's good for him to get out of those negative roles and maybe something more positive for him.
I was
show his
kind
real
of
talent.
disappointed when he actually cheated on his wife during the Made in Heaven thing, and I was like, यार इतना अच्छा चल रहा था इनका love story. But it is what it is, and that was a good series.
But it wasn't the first for him.
Yes,
in that show.
That show, yeah. But if you've not seen Made in Heaven, go check it out. It's either on Netflix or Prime.
I think it's Prime. Yeah.
You don't want to miss that one.
Yes, absolutely. So yes, Jim Sir coming up as Homi Baba in an upcoming movie. So yeah, looking out for that. Uske saath, I have another Bollywood news, which is about the men in Bollywood. So this Bollywood actor particularly was the most searched 2020 Indian actor on YouTube. Any guesses, guys?
I would always say Hrithik because I only search for Hrithik.
डॉक्टर नम्रता की गाड़ी ना ऋतिक पे अटक जाती है. इधर चला मैं उधर चला, डॉक्टर नम्रता की गाड़ी ऑलवेज ऋतिक की तरफ चलेगी. So
I think we're in for a surprise, right?
You should be, but any guesses? I mean.
No, I would probably agree with her, like Hrithik. Yeah.
But unfortunately, guys, he didn't make it to the list also, top 5.
Oh my God.
So the most searched Bollywood actor or Indian actor on YouTube for 2020 was Ajay Devgan.
Ajay
तू ही क्यों बजाया तुमने? इतना अच्छी एक्टिंग करता है वो बंदा.
There you go. I'll give it to you.
But हाँ, आपको शायद पसंद नहीं है डॉक्टर.
No, I love Ajay. I think he's very talented. And he's good. He's come in a lot of good movies, especially with action wali movies. Like,
Singham.
Singham.
Maybe he is, the,
Yeah.
if Singham aati hai, there was, we only think about him.
Can you believe
I don't think
even-
anyone would do that role better than him.
No
Yeah,
one.
that's true.
You won't believe, even when I went and saw Simba, which
exactly.
had Ranveer Singh,
Yeah.
I was like, हाँ चल रही है. The minute Ajay Devgan walked, I
Yeah.
was like,
I mean, I think the whole hall started clapping.
Yeah,
I felt like
they
it was back. We were back
Yeah.
home.
Yeah,
and
exactly.
Ankur was watching the movie. He's like, "There's our real Singham."
and we always want him to be the Singham, and he played an amazing role in Tanaji also. I think बहुत ही सुंदर role था with his wife. But yes, 2020 के Ajay Devgan was number 1.
That's amazing.
Quickly going through the next 4, I have top 5.
Oh, wow.
The second one was kind of like, people, what is this? Why would you search for him now, especially after Radhe? But Radhe to abhi aayi hai na.
Salman. Okay, now.
Yeah, but 2020 mein second most searched Bollywood actor was Salman Khan. Do you like him?
I met him a few times and stuff. It's just, he needs to.
So secret, she just let out there. She has Bollywood connections.
Bollywood connections.
Yeah.
I think it's for his muscles. We all those in high school. We all used to go looking for his muscles. So
Muscle.
I just, I like Salman, and of course, college mein, it's Hilton bei aise. They used to all stay at this Hilton Southwest.
हाँ, right here.
So my friend and I were like, "Chalo, school छोड़ो, वहाँ पे चलो Salman से मिलते हैं," right? So we go, and luckily for us, he was working out in the gym, just him and another friend of his, Bunty.
Achha.
He had his shirt off. I mean, what an eye treat. Shirt off at that point, doing his biceps, his working out.
Yeah.
I mean, and it was just me, my girlfriend, and him and his friend. That's it. Nobody else in that gym.
Oh,
And we're just watching him. Okay, well, यहाँ देख के हम autograph ले, photo ले. And then हमें देख के we wore his tank top.
Oh, wow.
And back in the day, he had the skinniest chicken legs. So he would do all this upper body workout, right?
Yeah, yeah,
and then
yeah.
नीचे, I'm like, okay, थोड़ा नीचे का भी कर लेना Salman.
तो सुन ली आपकी बात शायद.
Yeah.
अब है उसके
Now he's full,
muscles.
fit.
हाँ.
Yeah. So
And all
those
of
are the
this
days.
energy from Dr. Namrata is without her coffee. I literally have a coffee in my hand. So you can imagine after coffee उनकी energy level क्या होगा. आप मतलब क्या खाती क्या
अभी
है?
वो लगते तो ठीक है. अभी hopefully one of his movies go hits now and then, right?
Yeah.
He needs a hit.
He needs a hit. I think it's just the same role. It's
So
just
does your
बहुत
other
redundant
Khan.
हो गया.
Your other
हाँ.
Khan, Shah Rukh Khan needs a hit too.
Yeah, अब उसकी क्या बात करें? He तो didn't even make it to the list yet.
Oh, wow.
So number
Okay.
3, and this is not a surprise because this is one of the very rising top stars. He's from
Okay,
Hyderabad,
I
which
think-
is
I thought he
Telugu
would've-
movie industry.
I thought he was actually, now that I think of it, I thought he was number 1.
And इनका ही गाना सलमान खान ने अभी राधे में सीटी मार में that same song, but
Yeah.
the way he danced was way better than what Salman did. And I am talking about Allu Arjun. He's, you know what his tagline whenever they introduce him in the movie is called Stylish Superstar Allu Arjun, and you must watch one of his movies. I'll send you a link. Hindi में भी dub होती है. Amazing songs, and the way he acts and dancing, you will like him.
All right, we'll check it out.
Yeah, and number 4 was अभी इतने young लोग में बिग बी कहाँ पीछे रह सकते हैं, so it was Amitabh Bachchan. And number 5, I don't know who he is. I have seen him, but I don't remember the name of the movie. Again, a South Indian movie star, which is Vijay Thalapathy. So these were the top 5 actors who were most searched on YouTube in 2020.
I don't believe my Hrithik didn't make that list. I mean, how can you guys forget Hrithik? He's the Greek god. He's the Hindu god, the Greek god, every religion's ka god.
Yeah.
He's still struggling with the Kangana controversy, I
Poor
guess.
guy.
Yeah.
वो तो पागल है. Let's not go there.
But yes, इससे पहले हम break पे जाएं. Let me quickly thank India House Houston for always supporting Namaste Radio, and आप ज़रूर जाइए. उनकी बहुत सारी online classes हैं. They have free teleconsultation. They have their summer camp for kids going on, so you can be a part of it. IndiaHouseInc.org is the website. Follow them on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And we want to really thank Hasu Patel ji for sponsoring this ad. And आने के बाद मैं आपको एक और सीक्रेट बताऊंगी कि डॉक्टर नम्रता कुछ अभी कुछ किया है उन्होंने, and we are so proud of her, and of course at India House, so congratulations. But we'll let everybody know about it right after this ad break.
Namaste Radio on 99.5 FM. Keep it locked.
Ladies and gentlemen, we present you Habibi Kitchen, the most delicious Mediterranean cuisine in the heart of Sugarland.
Habibi Kitchen brings very tasty food that will give your taste buds a cultural experience. Prepared with fresh ingredients every day. All options available: non-veg, veg and even vegan.
Beautiful outdoor seating in our covered patio. Visit Habibi Kitchen today, located at 16227 Lexington Boulevard. Call 832-999-4161. That's 832-999-4161. Or visit HabibiKitchen.com.
Follow Habibi Kitchen on Facebook for specials. And don't forget to mention Namaste Radio.
Dr. Namrata Sharma Goyal at Kidney Health Center has over 15 years expertise in blood pressure control, kidney stone and kidney transplant management, hemo and peritoneal dialysis, specializing in chronic kidney disease from diabetes, high blood pressure, and autoimmune diseases. They promote the use of advanced technology in their business practice and treat their patients with a customized approach. All insurances, Medicare and Medicaid accepted. They have 3 convenient locations for you in Sugarland, Medical Center, and West Houston area. For Dr. Namrata Sharma Goyal, board certified in nephrology, visit their website at bozenhealth.com or call 713-520-6875 for appointments. That's 713-520-6875.
Arey yaar, I had a long day at work. I need a spot to relax.
I want to meet up with my friends, but I can't think of a place. Or maybe I just want to get out and enjoy some positive vibes.
Don't worry, I have the right spot for you. Bob's Lounge and Grill.
Bob's Lounge and Grill?
That's right, Bob's Lounge and Grill. They have a full-size bar, hookah, delicious menu with Indian, Chinese and Goan dishes. और साथ में म्यूजिक भी है.
Wow, sounds delicious.
Located at 6401 Hillcroft Avenue. Call 281-974-4918. That's 281-974-4918. Or visit them at bobsloungeandgrill.com. Like Bob's Lounge and Grill on Facebook and Instagram.
आज अमित ने अपना वैक्सीनेशन करवाया क्योंकि सब लोग 12 इयर्स एंड ओल्डर कोविड-19 वैक्सीन के लिए एलिजिबल हैं। अमित ने फिर वैक्सीन का लोकेशन पता किया अपनी बहन के लिए। उसकी बहन ने अपनी बेस्ट फ्रेंड को लिंक भेजा, जिसने अपनी बिजनेस पार्टनर को रिमाइंड किया, हू देन गॉट एन अपॉइंटमेंट अपने भाई के लिए, जिन्होंने शेयर किया अपने यू गेट द आइडिया। अब वक्त आया है टू लेट आवर फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली नो कि वैक्सीन्स प्रिवेंट नियरली 100% ऑफ हॉस्पिटलाइजेशंस एंड डेथ्स फ्रॉम कोविड। We can do this. अपने निकट वैक्सीन्स पाने के लिए आज ही vaccines.gov पर जाएं. Paid for by the US Department of Health and Human Services.
स्वागत है आपका. सुनते रहिए नमस्ते रेडियो.
Alright.
यही होता है जब हमारे साथ स्टूडियो में इतनी अमेजिंग एक को होस्ट आ जाती हैं. वी आर हैविंग लॉट ऑफ फन हियर, ऑफ एयर, ऑन एयर. And
I'm
with
trying to zoom in on your coffee actually.
She has a huge large coffee now. But yes, welcome back to Namaste Radio.
See that look? That Singham look? Like I'm not sharing my coffee.
And this is what is happening on air, off air. But we all have gone crazy. But आप लोग crazy मत होइए. Thank you so much for joining us. We are नमस्ते टीम. मैं हूं वंशिका, मेरे साथ हैं दीप और आज हमारी बहुत ही स्पेशल को होस्ट आ चुकी हैं डॉक्टर नम्रता शर्मा गोयल. I like that. I like the sound of it.
It's like the Price is Right.
Yeah.
Ding ding ding. Yeah. You have won.
Yes. And of course, thank you so much. अगर आप हमें 99.5 FM पे सुन रहे हैं, लेकिन अगर आपको सारी स्टूडियो की ये मस्ती जो चल रही है देखनी है, quickly go to Namaste Radio's Facebook page and watch our Facebook Live.
Yeah.
And thank you to everybody for joining.
Next to her. No.
I don't have the coffee. I don't have the
Keeping
coffee.
it secure. So,
And
she has the coffee.
Yes, Dr. Namra is drinking the coffee. And namaste everybody. Quickly going through everybody. Saeed ji, good morning. Dad, good morning. And Ashok uncle, good morning. Irfan, good morning. Neelu auntie, good morning. They're supporting. She says all-rounder, talented at daughter Namrata. मतलब माँ की तारीफ देखो. And I must tell you, I love Dr. Namrata's personality. लेकिन जो personality नीलू auntie की, her mom, Mrs. Neelu Sharma, amazing personality, and she was also the MC and the RJ. मतलब क्या बोलें.
I have to give her credit for my talent. I have inherited mom's
और मुझे वो
talented.
tagline याद है,
Maybe just 5% of her good looks, but maybe 90% of her talent.
she's equally pretty, and you are beautiful, Dr. Namrata. And you know, जैसे जैसे शो चलेगा मेरी तारीफें बढ़ती जाएंगी, because you know I admire you a lot. And मेरे
For every Saturday आना पड़ेगा तारीफ सुनने के लिए.
Absolutely. And इनकी टैगलाइन थी मदर डॉटर डुओ. ये जब ये स्टेज पे चढ़ते हैं, दोनों MC करते हैं, वो पंजाबी कल्चर क्लब का मुझे याद है. Amazing. It was fun night, and y'all are already seeing a little bit of, you know, sneak peek इधर, just her being here. I didn't know she knew so much about Jim Sir, man. That was, I'm like, अच्छा मेरे को तो थोड़ा बहुत पता होता है, इनको उसके स्पॉट बॉय का भी नाम पता है, सुशल की तरह शायद. And of course, good morning to my mom, to my mother-in-law, and all the other people. But आज एक special person है. Charu, are you listening? Are you there? So we want to wish Charu, जो हमारे नमस्ते की बहुत ही special lady हैं. I want to wish her, Deep wants to wish her, and of course Dr. Namrata joins.
Happy
us.
birthday, Charu.
Yes,
Happy
and
birthday.
Sushil too. Happy birthday, Charu. She finally
birthday.
turns 21 today.
25, 21.
21, that's
So-
right. And एक जगह जहाँ हम सबको जाके हम you know, I went there last week for my papaya facial. Is Classy Diva Salon and Spa located in Katy. You must try it, Dr. Namrata.
Of course.
आप already इतनी गोरी चिट्टी सुंदर हैं, आप और भी गोरी चिट्टी सुंदर हो जाएंगी.
I don't want to tell you मेरी सुंदरता का राज. My secret.
Running behind the 3 kids and Ankur.
And the treadmill.
And the treadmill, of course. So talking about Classy Diva Salon and Spa, they do have another Tuesday, June में, तो papaya facial only for $30, and उनके weekly specials चलते रहते हैं. Ruby has already given me the sneak peek into the July specials, लेकिन वो मैं आपको next Saturday बताऊंगी. लेकिन फिलहाल आप उन्हें कॉल करके अपॉइंटमेंट लीजिए 281-646-0100. Classy Diva Salon and Spa. Follow them on Facebook and Instagram. And now coming back to our Bollywood. But before that, let's take a song break. And वापस आते हैं और Bollywood.
From One Marzia, right?
That's right. Vicky Kaushal. Vicky Kaushal it is.
Cute movie.
Do you like Vicky Kaushal?
He's okay.
Okay.
No, he's talented. I really liked him in that movie with Alia Bhatt. Yeah, I can't remember the name now.
Alia Bhatt?
Oh yeah, Razi.
Oh, Razi.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. He
Razi.
was her husband.
Yeah.
He
Good
played
movie,
he played a good role. I loved it. Yeah, you're right. मेरे दिमाग से ही निकल गई
I
थी.
actually didn't like him in Marzia. You know, I thought he was like the snatcher.
Look at she doesn't look now. She can't.
I know.
No, but-
Sorry.
No.
Is he your Hrithik?
No, not really. My Hrithik used to be
My Hrithik.
Shah Rukh Khan, but my Hrithik turned to Sushil. लेकिन
क्या बात है?
आजकल
Sushil, that is the ultimate तारीफ.
देखो उसको तारीफ ही नहीं लगती. वो बताए कहाँ शाहरुख कहाँ मैं. मतलब अगर आपने मेरे हाथों का इशारा देखा हो तो. लेकिन I think in today's time, like latest, मुझे Vicky Kaushal, I feel he's a promising star. Of course, Ranbir Kapoor, I don't like him personally, लेकिन overall उसकी movies अच्छी करता है. He's good looking.
And I wish he made more. I just don't think he makes enough.
Yeah. And
Ranveer Singh?
Ranveer Singh, I'm not a fan of at all. So their personal interviews have to be sensitive. He's too hyper for me.
Yeah. You know, one of my the newer guys that are kind of that I'm liking a little bit more now is Dhawan.
Varun
Dhawan.
Oh.
You know, he's a great. He really tries. He's got that talent, and he's a good actor. He does well, and his dance is obviously superb. But you know, I think
I like the movie,
I
like-
really wish he got more attention because
Yeah.
he's got a lot of talent.
When he does roles like what he did in Badlapur, then he's phenomenal.
Yeah.
But when he does like the Main Tera Hero and all that stuff, I'm
वो
like,
beginning था ना. And
I know, yeah,
even
that's big.
Jodhwa.
the Kapuri types.
Yeah.
He's not that great.
Yeah.
I mean, my issue with him is why can't he choose his movies? Even if his dad is forcing him,
Yeah.
I can't take that hero number 1 yaar. Or what was
Oh,
that?
I know.
What
I
was
didn't even
it?
watch it.
Jodhwa.
नहीं,
Hero
उसके बाद
number
अभी
one.
hero number
Yeah,
1
yeah.
Yeah, that's right. The remake. could. Yeah.
You can't throw 20 years back script at us and expect us to accept it now in today's time.
Right.
That's
The original's the original. Actually, after seeing that, I went back and saw the original again.
Chalo,
I didn't even bother.
Govinda got a new view.
I give it to you. Watched it. I didn't even bother watching it.
But Dr. Namrata, here is the news जो आप अपनी दिल थाम के बैठिएगा क्योंकि this is OMG kind of news for you. Hrithik Roshan's Krish 4 is in the making.
I think he's making it just for me.
Yeah, so we probably have like the entire AMC booked by her. And like,
so he just happened to post a workout
for
video.
me and my
shirtless.
closest friends, I will book that AMC just private show.
He just happened to put
With our private bar.
He happened to put a shirtless workout video today, probably for you, right?
Of course, for me.
Just for her, and he was like, I'm glad I did it because इसको सलमान खान याद है, मैं इसको मेरी video दिखाता हूँ.
Yeah.
But did you meet him? Have you ever met him personally?
You know, I've not met him. So if anybody wants to throw me a birthday party and surprise me, that would be the only gift I want.
Ankur, are you listening?
चाहिए.
By the way, Houston वालों, अंकुर की सौभाग्य से उनकी शादी हुई है डॉक्टर नम्रता के साथ. हम बार-बार अंकुर बोल रहे थे.
So sweet.
But no, he's amazing, and we like to tease Ankur like that all the time. So Hrithik Roshan की movie
I
आने
couldn't have
वाली
done
है.
it without Ankur. You know, while I'm doing this, he's watching the 3 babies. Not so babies anymore. They're now 12, 8, and 5.
What?
So, yeah, I know.
Wow.
They grow so fast.
Yeah.
What? कभी-कभी यही
थोड़ा
reaction होता
पानी
है.
दो, थोड़ा खाना दो, ऐसे बढ़ते हैं like plants.
आप क्या करती हैं? Because looking at you, I'm like 3 kids. The first time I met her, she's like, I have 3 kids. I'm like, oh my god, really? How? Like, you know, you expect, and it's good. That's why people need to get motivated. Looking at you, a big example, because 3 बच्चों के बाद भी इंसान इतना पतला दुबला हो सकता है, guys. And
cardio every day.
Wow, that's good. So you run every day.
I run at least 6 days a week. I do run, and then I mix and match it. But I run, and then I do weights in between. But I still do my running every day.
Awesome.
That's amazing. That's amazing. And I guess Hrithik Roshan does that too, because he has
definitely looks like he does a lot more than I do.
Awesome.
So I think Krish was released 15 years ago.
The first one, yeah.
The first one, yeah, with Priyanka Chopra, right? Yeah. So now it's like 15 years baad, now we've reached Krish 4. Now there was something Dr. Namrata was telling us, which I really didn't know.
I'm excited about
the female lead, and of course Deep is excited. लेकिन इसमें एक चीज है, जादू may come back in this from the Koi Mil Gaya, you know, the Krish series and all that. So I was excited just about that, but then she dropped a bomb about a bomb in the movie.
Nora Fatehi, that's right.
Yes.
So she was telling us before the show was, you know, we started the show.
And you know, that would be a treat.
Yeah.
They both are amazing dancers.
Oh,
right?
yeah,
Hrithik's great, and she's very good.
She's good.
So I think
Sandeep se pucho, she's the Hrithik Roshan of her life.
Yeah, there you go. And I think that's why they probably paired up because of the dance
She's
moves.
the Hrithik Roshan of her. I'm a her.
She is the Hrithik Roshan of his life.
ना थोड़ी सी चंकी हो गई थी लास्ट में. I think pandemic में हम सारे हो गए थे. That's why we all kind of.
मैं तो अच्छा खासा
she can dance.
20 pound चंकी हो गई थी. बहुत मेहनत के
Bollywood में
बाद
a lot of people had, you know, gained a little weight, including Nora. So I hope she lost some of that pudginess. I mean, Hrithik के साथ आई है तो I'm sure she has.
Yeah, she
She's
should.
like, yeah, I gotta.
Because
get to
Hrithik
work.
goes like, he can become fat, he can become thin, he can become like this 8 abs, whatever, you know, pack abs. And
you can be a skinny geek like in
30, super 30.
He even
super
said that
30.
because he said super 30 he had to gain weight, and then when he found out that he had to shoot for war, he's like, oh god,
Back
I
the
gotta go.
opposite.
I have to go there again.
Wow.
But he said, I'm only gonna do it if Tiger's with me. If Tiger's not in this movie, I'm not gonna do it. So I guess that's the motivation. Right?
I mean, no. He should be saying, I'll do the next movie only if Dr. Namrata is in it.
Yeah, that's true.
He doesn't have to call me Dr. Namrata. He can call me anything he wants.
What's your nickname?
I mean, mom का nickname मैं नहीं बोलूँगी. You know, घर के सारे nickname होते हैं. We all have our own nicknames at home. So.
But and we have a you know, segment on nicknames, so we'll get to your nickname.
I've been called everything. Nimi, Nami, Nams.
Oh, really?
सब कुछ. Namri. Namu. Nimbo. My friends. I think every friend has a different little nickname, cute thing for me. So it's cute. It's nice. Thank you.
Is awesome.
Love my friends.
So we'll take a quick break and come back, and we have the Bollywood nicknames, you said, right?
We do. And we do have this amazing place.
That's right. How can we forget that place on Highway 90 and Highway 6? Aling's Chinese, visit them today, 281-242-0432, and visit their website, alingschinese.com. Amazing. I know, Dr. Namita, you love that spot.
I love it. I'm actually a neighbor. We live right across the street.
That's right. What are some of your favorite dishes?
The sizzling platter, the sizzling beef platter is definitely my favorite. And of course, the fried rice is to die for.
I know. I love the gobi manchurian's great. Szechuan fried rice is great. And even their soups are great. Everything there is great. And now they have those new cocktails. Those are great too.
I love everything. I love even the American or the Chinese chop suey. It's like these fried noodles on top with chicken gravy or whatever you want. It's amazing.
I'm sure Irfan's listening to him aa rahe hain iske show ke baad. Lunch ke liye aa rahe hain.
That's right.
Absolutely.
Visit them, alingschinese.com, 281-242-0432, alingschinese.com on Highway 90 and Highway 6. We'll take a short break, come back with more Bollywood right here on Namaste Radio. Keep it locked.
Namaste Radio
on 99.5 FM.
Gotta get it.
आज अमित ने अपना वैक्सीनेशन करवाया क्योंकि सब लोग 12 इयर्स एंड ओल्डर कोविड-19 वैक्सीन के लिए एलिजिबल हैं। अमित ने फिर वैक्सीन का लोकेशन पता किया अपनी बहन के लिए। उसकी बहन ने अपनी बेस्ट फ्रेंड को लिंक भेजा, जिसने अपनी बिजनेस पार्टनर को रिमाइंड किया, हु देन गॉट एन अपॉइंटमेंट अपने भाई के लिए, जिन्होंने शेयर किया अपने यू गेट द आइडिया। अब वक्त आया है टू लेट आवर फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली नो कि वैक्सीन्स प्रिवेंट नियरली 100% ऑफ हॉस्पिटलाइजेशंस एंड डेथ्स फ्रॉम कोविड। We can do this. अपने निकट वैक्सीन पाने के लिए आज ही vaccines.gov पर जाएं। Paid for by the US Department of Health and Human Services.
गौरी सिद्धि विनायक टेम्पल ऑफ ह्यूस्टन आप सबको आमंत्रित करता है। हिंदू वेडिंग सेरेमनी हो या एंगेजमेंट, सत्यनारायण पूजा हो या गायत्री हवन, बेबी शावर पूजा हो या वास्तु शांति, लक्ष्मी पूजा हो या गणपति पूजा, या जीवन में सिर्फ पॉजिटिविटी लानी हो, आज ही कॉल करें पंडित प्रदीप पांड्या जी को 8324669868। गौरी सिद्धि विनायक टेम्पल लोकेटेड है 5645 हिलक्रॉफ्ट एवेन्यू स्वीट 701 पे। डिटेल्स के लिए फॉलो करें गौरी सिद्धि विनायक टेम्पल फेसबुक पे। तो आज ही कॉल करें पंडित प्रदीप पांड्या जी को 8324669868। जय श्री गणेश।
गणपति नमो नमः, श्री सिद्धि विनायक नमो नमः।
Classy Divas Salon and Spa invites you for a refreshing facial experience with a papaya facial as a part of our Facial of the Month deal. Available any Tuesday in the month of June for just $30.
Classy Divas Salon and Spa is open Tuesday through Friday, 12 noon to 7 p.m. and Saturday and Sunday from 12 noon to 6 p.m.
For appointments, please text 856-693-8970. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram for the latest updates.
Visit Maharaja Bhog today and enjoy the best premium veg thali and experience royalty with an unlimited sit-down thali.
Dine in like a king and queen at Maharaja Bhog. Different kind of unlimited items on the menu every day. All safety guidelines are being followed.
Located at 8338 Southwest Freeway. Delivery available via Uber Eats, Grubhub and Faber apps. To-go boxes bhi available hain. For details call 713-771-2464 and follow Maharaja Bhog on Facebook.
Eat like royalty. Only at
Maharaja Bhog.
The heat is on. Chili chicken, gobi manchurian, all your favorites, sizzling fresh at Aling's. This is the summer of new hopes and new beginnings. Shake off the cobwebs and dine with us at Aling's. Celebration meals are always a breeze when you bring your family to Aling's Chinese. Shake off the cobwebs and dine with us at Aling's. Halal menu available. Visit alingschinese.com.
तुम कभी जीत नहीं पाए क्योंकि तुम हमेशा मुझे हराने की सोचते थे। अब मैं कभी हारा नहीं क्योंकि मैं हमेशा जीतने की सोचता था। आज भी मुझे हराने की कोशिश में तुम खुद हारे हो।
This is Namaste Radio.
Keep it locked.
That's right, this is Namaste Radio. मैं हूं वंशिका और मेरे साथ हैं आपके डोले वाली डीजे डोली डी दिखा दो अपने डोले। एंड हम दोनों के साथ हैं हमारी फेवरेट पर्सन राइट हियर, आवर को-होस्ट फॉर टुडे, डॉक्टर नम्रता शर्मा गोयल। एंड एक जगह है जहां सबसे पहले बिफोर वी टेक द शो फॉरवर्ड मैं आपको बता दूं, और उनके स्पेशल जो है ये वीकेंड के लिए बड़े ध्यान से सुनिएगा। So I am talking about Habibi.
Yeah.
So yes, Habibi Kitchen right here, not here. I mean, right now I'm not in Sugarland. Usually we are there, right? So in Sugarland, in the heart of Sugarland, on Lexington Boulevard. मेरा at और on बड़ा ऊपर नीचे हो रहा है, क्या बात हो गई? So it is located at 16227 Lexington Boulevard in Sugarland. क्या खाना है? Dr. Namrata, have you tried?
I have not tried. I need to.
And you should try. And this is one thing I love about her. चाहे वो आलिंग्स हो, चाहे वो महाराजा भोग हो, चाहे वो निर्मांस फूड बुटीक हो, जब भी इनको कुछ भी हमने सजेस्ट किया इन्होंने जरूर ट्राई किया है। तो आप ये हबीबी किचन ट्राई करें।
मेरा Lexington Boulevard, Sugarland में है, तो
हाँ तो बस
even have an excuse.
आपके ऑपोजिट ही है, उधर ही है। So Habibi Kitchen जरूर try करें। The best thing is for this weekend, only for this weekend, the specials that they have is buy 2 falafel sandwich and get 1 free. So ये weekend go out there, mention Namaste Radio. Again, their address is 16227 Lexington Boulevard, Habibi Kitchen. The number is 832-999-4161. And I must tell you all, they do amazing catering options they have. बहुत ही बढ़िया है। एंड ये लोग फ्रेश फूड बनाते हैं, फ्रेश सॉसेस बनाते हैं, चाहे हमस हो, तबूली हो, एवरीथिंग इज फ्रेश। गो ट्राई इट आउट एंड फॉलो हबीबी किचन ऑन फेसबुक एंड इंस्टाग्राम। एंड क्या बोलना नहीं भूलिएगा, नमस्ते रेडियो। तो बॉलीवुड के बारे में बात हो रही है, लेकिन उससे पहले चलो एक गाना सुन लेते हैं। हम एक डीजे हैं।
You owe me that घुंघरू song थोड़ा।
हाँ, ऋतिक रोशन का इनका घुंघरू।
Yeah, before Gungu, I was told to play Tarifon as well, right?
Oh, so this is a special request by Neelu auntie, Namrata's mom. So for Dr. Namrata, because वो है ही इतनी खूबसूरत.
She's gonna embarrass me.
I can imagine her dancing.
All are embarrassing me.
कानों में एक दिल की बात सुनावानी, हसदा वेख के जगनू मैं भुल जावानी, दस दे कितना गल तेनू समझावानी, वो अब तू छड़ दे जो है तेरे नाम, नखरे क्यों कर दिया मैनू जचदा नहीं, कितना सवाल कर दिया ना मैं सुनता नहीं, होर दस कितनी तारीफां चाहिदियां तेनू, बाकी करे शाइन तू करे ग्लो, जीन्स डाली डाली तूने जो वो तेरी बूटी पे टाइट बेबी जैसे मेरा फ्लो, बेबी गॉड डैम तू है 100 बाकी एवरेज, तू है सैवेज बेबी तू है रॉ, मुझे तेरी बारी की हर वो चीज लगे सेक्सी जो बाकियों को लगती है फ्लॉ, बेबी लेट्स गो राइट नाउ, देखो मुझे वेट ना इतनी कराओ, लक तेरा लीन बात तेरी मीन, डाइटिंग पे है तो क्यों खाती भाव, और दस कितनी तारीफां चाहिदियां तेनू,
देखो ये होता है माँ का प्यार। उन्होंने लिखा है लव इट goes so well with her and it's so true and I think mommies are the best critic and the best supporters on earth, right? वो आपकी तारीफें भी उतनी करती है, लेकिन अगर कुछ गलत है तो सबसे पहले आपको बताती भी है। So you know, hats off to all the mommies and we've been blessed to have mommies like this and such supporting mommies, right?
Yeah.
आप तो कुछ अपनी मम्मी की तारीफ में
Mom is, she knows. I took her to Cabo to tell her how much I appreciate her for Mother's Day. Actually, we didn't go Mother's Day weekend, but it was for appreciation for Mother's Day. So the funny thing is, I said, Mom, let's just, this is my treat for you. So for 2 women to leave the house, it took 3 or 4 men to take care of home. So my brother flew down and, you know, kind of hung out with my dad. Uncle watched the kids. So I took 3 or 4 guys to watch the kids.
Oh, wow.
Just for 2 women to leave. So, but thank you guys. We wouldn't have been able to go without your support. And it was definitely much needed trip and bonding time for mom and I. So it was nice. Cabo was nice.
That's nice. I'm so happy to see you got to do that. But she's right. No woman you can't be successful without the man in your life, and the man cannot be successful without the woman in your life.
Exactly.
If you have,
for sure.
वैसे तो अगर आप successful दीप की तरह हैं तो you're successful. उसको ना man की जरूरत है ना woman की जरूरत है.
So could he has all these little women around him already. Automatically आ जाती है तो she doesn't have to do anything.
I would like to know where are these? Please tell me.
I'm not going
to. Has his own fan club that you know.
You're right, and I'm not going to take names. Lekin Dr. Namrata saw it firsthand right here.
What?
Literally.
Please tell me. I would like
के बाहर ही line लगी हुई है संदीप के लिए.
Like यहाँ पे आज सुबह आप दीप हैं? Oh my God, hi. Who doesn't know you? And we both Dr. Namrata and me looking at each other like हम भी हैं.
I don't know. I would like to know.
Females fans वहाँ पे, male fans यहाँ पे.
मेन कोई था ही नहीं.
No. आ जाएंगे. नहीं. हमारी पोल मत खो यहाँ पे.
Where's Sushil Encore right now? Where they walk in right now like heroes, like हम हैं यहाँ पे, we're here, right? So.
नहीं वो आपके साथ आपके पास खड़े रहेंगे कि थोड़ी 1-2 हमारी तरफ भेज दो. लेकिन चलो ये मस्ती तो चलती रहेगी.
So if that lineup is there, does that mean I can leave and you take over? And okay, sorry. No, continue.
No, we need you.
Yeah. You be here.
Okay.
यहाँ पे रहो, खुश रहो.
When she said lineup, I was like, okay, I'm excited, man. Where is this? By the time show
we
over there.
saw one today, so there's no denying to that.
I don't know what they're talking about.
We did. But is this one thing that which we were talking about in Bollywood also? It's pretty common. Is nicknames एक ऐसी चीज है जो हम सबके होते हैं. And forgive me for saying this. मुझे बहुत डांट पड़ने वाली है. ये पंजाबी मम्मियाँ जो होती हैं ना वो अपने बच्चों के निकनेम बहुत अजीब रखती हैं. Okay? मुझे बहुत डांट पड़ने वाली है. So but you agree?
I agree,
right?
Yeah.
Because हर किसी के निकनेम होते हैं. मेरा भी है, वंशु है मेरा निकनेम. मेरे डैड मेरे फैमिली में बुलाते हैं, वैंस फ्रेंड्स बुलाते हैं, लेकिन मुन्नो चुन्नो पन्नो नहीं बोलते. बबलू and the worst is जब बच्चे बड़े हो जाते हैं उसके बाद भी उनके स्पाउसेस के सामने, उनके फ्रेंड्स के सामने मेरा छोटू, मेरा मुन्नू, oh my God. So आपके साथ कभी ऐसा हुआ है?
मेरे साथ तो वो आंटियाँ भी शुरू हो जाती है. I was like, that's not my real name. वो तो मम्मी बुलाती है ना, हम भी मम्मी बुलाते हैं. I'm like, okay, चलो.
Like we're in a big gala, imagine. And then your mom's talking to some auntie, and then you're walking, and the auntie is like, "अरे छोटू, नम्मो इधर तो."
So my name was Gudiya. तो अभी तक अभी आधी ना आंटियाँ तो गुड़िया ही बुलाती है.
Oh wow. Deep, what's your nickname?
I never had one actually.
Don't lie. You're such a liar. You had it. You told me yesterday.
Yeah, it's called Sexiest Bachelor Alive. That's a nickname. Yeah.
हाँ तभी लाइनें खड़ी हुई है ना.
There you go.
No. I guess they just shortened it. My dad used to call me Deepu, so that I guess you could say that was my nickname. For Deep, right?
Deepu. Yeah. Deepu.
No, not anymore. I told him I didn't like it anymore. So
why don't you like it anymore, Sandeep? Any reasons?
No, we'll not get into that.
But जैसे हैं तो बॉलीवुड में भी ऐसे हैं. एंड मेरी एक रिक्वेस्ट है कि प्लीज वी लव यू मॉमीज एंड एवरीबडी, बट बड़े होने के बाद और फ्रेंड्स और बीवियों के सामने बच्चों को, पतियों को ये ना बुलाएं छोटू मुन्नू. आई हैड अ फ्रेंड, शी used to hate it when her mother-in-law would call her husband Nuppy.
Oh my God, that's the first. I remember that one.
Yeah, and she would be like, यार ये ऐसे क्यों बोलती हैं? I'm like, यार बच्चा है तो, but बड़ा हो गया है, give him the respect.
It's embarrassing.
It is embarrassing.
Yeah. You have a professional career now.
Yeah. No, and शादी के बाद husband wife एक दूसरे को प्यार से बेबी छोनू मोनू बुलाते हैं.
अभी मम्मी रहता है, it doesn't go out. I think.
तो सबके सामने अगर मम्मी छोनू बोले, ये बोले तो it's kind of weird. लेकिन हाँ, नीलू आंटी बोल रही हैं कि of course, thank you आंटी. मेरी मम्मी भी बड़ी wonderful lady हैं, and she's saying गुड़िया my doll.
गुड़िया my doll.
गुड़िया
बस अब सारे शहर को पता चल गया.
Imagine Dr. Namrata meets Hrithik and he's like, what's your name? Like, Neenu auntie comes in British like, Gudiya.
You know, believe it or not, once mom went to Madhuri Dixit and I was, I couldn't go to that show back in the 80s. And she actually writes as a, dear Goody, I love Madhuri Dixit. I was like, my name would have been nice. I still have that at home.
Oh my God. But yes, talking about Bollywood nicknames, so I'll quickly go through it. Alia Bhatt ka nickname hai, any guesses? It's a vegetable.
Vegetable? What? No, I have no idea.
Aloo.
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 Oh, I think
वरुण धवन, आप अभी उनकी बात कर रही थी, उनका निकनेम है पप्पू.
Pappu.
I can see that.
Imagine Varun
I can see
Dhawan
that.
coming in like six-pack abs and David Dhawan is like, hey Pappu, इधर आ.
So the mystery Pappu is Varun Dhawan?
हो सकता है, ये तो सुशील से पूछना पड़ेगा कि is it Varun Dhawan?
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, probably.
It probably is, right?
Yeah. And अगर मेरा ये link हाँ, Anushka Sharma. Now this is kind of weird. I don't know what this means, but her nickname is Noseshwar.
That's odd.
Yeah, I don't know what this means.
That's like Punjabi to South Indian.
Yeah.
To South ही हो गया.
What's Karthik?
Karthik to Aryan. Sorry,
Karthik calling Karthik.
Yeah.
Karthik Aryan is Koki.
Koki.
Somebody has written, and I'm imagining this is Sushil, because ये आया नमस्ते के and he's the only admin on our page and Deep और मैं तो यहीं पे.
What did I tell you yesterday?
Oh my God! And
what did I tell you yesterday?
He told me that Sushil is going to bring this up when you do the nickname things, and Sushil has the most. It's very cute, but I always tell him it's so private. But he goes in front of everybody. He'll go. I'm like, ये क्या आदत है? So I don't know from where and which angle. He called
And
me.
it's so funny, I said that exact same thing yesterday.
He calls me Peepju.
From where? Like where did you get that from? ये सुनना पड़ेगा.
Yeah, like
text me.
Yeah. Or Sushil, if you want, call us 713-974-4.
Yeah, we want to hear this on air.
Tell us, why do you call me Peepju? For what?
Yeah.
What is the connection? But anyways, talking about Karthik Aryan, उनका नाम है Koki. And Priyanka Chopra is Mimi.
Nini, I've heard that.
Yeah.
I would think it's PC, right? Everybody calls her PC. PC1, PC2.
Well, they used to call it Piggy Chops at one point.
Piggy Chops, yeah.
And Kareena Kapoor, we all know, is because the Kapoor Khandan सबका बड़ा evident है.
Should we test her on Hrithik? Like, let's see how well you know him.
Oh,
What's his
I
nickname?
don't know Hrithik.
You don't know his nickname?
I mean, I would say Janu, but I don't know.
I like that.
Censored.
Janu. So Hrithik's is Duggu.
No, I did not know that.
Yeah, and his father's was Guddu.
Yeah, good. That I knew. That I knew. I knew his father.
So now when you meet him, you know what to call him.
Another famous one is Govinda. Everybody knows Govinda's nickname.
Chichi.
Yeah.
So when you meet
Chichi and Bebo,
when you meet Hrithik Roshan, you say, "Hey Duggu, I'm Gudiya."
Hey Duggu, I'm Gudiya. Exactly.
सारे show cancel हो जाएगा वहाँ में.
Okay, Parineeti Chopra is Tisha. Shahid Kapoor is Sasha. What is it, Sasha?
I said some of these are kind of feminine names for these guys, right?
And this is the worst, okay? Imagine Miss World. Miss India, first runner-up. She wins the Miss World.
Right.
She then becomes the Bahu of Amitabh Bachchan, marries Abhishek Bachchan. And of course now her name is Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, लेकिन उनका nickname है गुल्लू.
People just call her Ash, right?
So the Miss World and whatever 90s was Gullu.
Wow.
So that ends with
no wonder nobody talks about it.
Yeah.
Wow.
But yeah, so that's Deep, Gudiya, Vanshu. That's
Vanshu.
I don't mind Vanshu. Yeah.
No, remember it was Bachelor, not done.
Oh, the most sexiest bachelor.
No, you don't have to say all that. The Bachelor is fine.
Yeah. So
Yes,
we have the
that's
top
good,
of the
yeah.
hour, but before that, Sandeep.
We'll talk about at top of the hour. This part is brought to you by PSPC Bookkeeping Services. Well, the deadline is gone, but if you needed an extension,
People will still be there.
people will still be there for you. Call them today at 281-580-8700. Ask for Pradeep. And not only is he a great person, but he's also my wonderful dad. So
Absolutely.
yes, Pradeep Sohan, PSPC Bookkeeping Services at 281-580-8700. Again, that's 580-8700. Call him today and tell him you heard it here on Namaste Radio. Back.
Also for company formations. That is something is so important because a lot of people are, getting into the entrepreneurial ventures.
Yeah.
So you need him for your company formation for sure.
That's right. So 281-580-8700. Back with more Masti right here on Namaste Radio. Keep it locked.
Surgically enhanced to sound louder, better, bigger, because size really does matter. And everything's bigger in Texas.
99.5 FM K258BZ Sugarland and 99.5 FM K258DA Houston. Radio Dabang is powered by Discount Power. Go to discountpowertx.com today. The views and opinions expressed on the following program are those of the authors and do not necessarily reflect the official policy or position of RD Broadcasting LLC, Radio Dabang 99.5 FM, or its affiliates. Individual programmers are responsible for their own content. If you have concerns regarding the following programming, please send an email to info@radiodabang.com.
Namaste Radio on 99.5 FM. Keep it locked. Ladies and gentlemen, we present you Habibi Kitchen, the most delicious Mediterranean cuisine in the heart of Sugarland.
Habibi Kitchen brings very tasty food that will give your taste buds a cultural experience. Prepared with fresh ingredients every day. All options available: non-veg, veg, and even vegan.
Beautiful outdoor seating in our covered patio. Visit Habibi Kitchen today, located at 16227 Lexington Boulevard. Call 832-999-4161. That's 832-999-4161. Or visit HabibiKitchen.com.
Follow Habibi Kitchen on Facebook for specials. And don't forget to mention Namaste Radio.
The heat is on. Chili chicken, gobi Manchurian, all your favorites, sizzling fresh out our lanes. This is the summer of new hopes and new beginnings. Shake off the cobwebs and dine with us at our lanes. Celebration meals are always a breeze when you bring your family to Arling's Chinese. Shake off the cobwebs and dine with us at Arling's. Halal menu available. Visit arlingschinese.com.
Welcome to India House Houston. India House is a non-profit organization that serves the community by bringing resources, education, and services to Houstonians like health and fitness programs, language classes, charity clinic, and various events. Help the community now. Sponsor a program or volunteer for free food distribution at India House. Host your next indoor or outdoor events at India House facility, parties, weddings, or corporate events. Located centrally at 8888 West Belford, Houston. For details, call 713-929-1900 or visit indiahouseinc.org. Follow India House Houston on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.
Classy Divas Salon and Spa invites you for a refreshing facial experience with a papaya facial as a part of our Facial of the Month deal. Available any Tuesday in the month of June for just $30.
Classy Divas Salon and Spa is open Tuesday through Friday, 12 noon to 7 p.m. and Saturday and Sunday from 12 noon to 6 p.m.
For appointments, please text 856-693-8970. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram for the latest updates.
Arey yaar, I had a long day at work and need a spot to relax.
I want to meet up with my friends, but I can't think of a place. Or maybe I just want to get out and enjoy some positive vibes.
Don't worry, I have the right spot for you. Bob's Lounge and Grill.
Bob's Lounge and Grill?
That's right, Bob's Lounge and Grill. They have a full-size bar, hookah, delicious menu with Indian, Chinese, and Goan dishes. और साथ में म्यूजिक भी है.
Wow, sounds delicious.
Located at 6401 Hillcroft Avenue. Call 281-974-4918. That's 281-974-4918. Or visit them at bobsloungeandgrill.com. Like Bob's Lounge and Grill on Facebook and Instagram.
आज अमित ने अपना वैक्सीनेशन करवाया क्योंकि सब लोग 12 इयर्स एंड ओल्डर कोविड-19 वैक्सीन के लिए एलिजिबल हैं। अमित ने फिर वैक्सीन का लोकेशन पता किया अपनी बहन के लिए। उसकी बहन ने अपनी बेस्ट फ्रेंड को लिंक भेजा, जिसने अपनी बिजनेस पार्टनर को रिमाइंड किया, हु देन गॉट एन अपॉइंटमेंट अपने भाई के लिए, जिन्होंने शेयर किया अपने यू गेट द आइडिया। अब वक्त आया है टू लेट आवर फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली नो कि वैक्सीन्स प्रिवेंट नियरली 100% ऑफ हॉस्पिटलाइजेशंस एंड डेथ्स फ्रॉम कोविड। We can do this. अपने निकट वैक्सीन्स पाने के लिए आज ही vaccines.gov पर जाएं। Paid for by the US Department of Health and Human Services.
ओ आजा माही आ सोनिया वे आके अज मेरे गल लग जा तू. Yo, this is Manj Music and you are listening to Namaste Radio. Keep it locked right here. Peace.
You are listening to Namaste Radio. That is right. हम आते हैं हर सैटरडे 10 बजे और आपके साथ रहते हैं 12 बजे तक. एंड आप हमें 99.5 FM पे सुनते हैं या आप हमें Facebook लाइव पे हमारे नमस्ते रेडियो के पेज पे you can see us and see all this in studio hangama masti that happens. And of course you can listen to us on our iPhone, Android apps or our website namasteradiohouston.com. But the best way is to follow us on Facebook and Instagram and keep yourself updated with all the local news, events, all the masti happening in and around Houston. मैं हूँ वंशिका, मेरे साथ हैं DJ डोली दीप एंड आज हम सब दोनों के साथ और आप सब के साथ हम सब के साथ हैं डॉक्टर नम्रता शर्मा गोयल. She sends a wave over there. So पहले आवर में हमने बहुत मस्ती करी because you know like I've always seen this about her. She's one of the most masti khor person, if I can say. Masti. But of course all of us know you know she's a doctor and you know a very famous well-known doctor, a very successful doctor. She's a kidney specialist, a nephrologist with over 15 years of experience. मतलब आपने बचपन से शुरू कर दिए थे practice.
No, that's so sweet, thank you. Plus tax.
Plus tax. So and you know we've spoken to her on air, yeah, in person previously also about you know what she does and all that. And so आज हम like I was saying कि हम पहले जो हमारा first hour था, we wanted to talk about Bollywood and masti, but now it's time for business. So let's talk to her about some current issues and थोड़ी you know health के बारे में थोड़ा ज़्यादा. But before that, you know, her clinics are located in 3 convenient locations for you, which is Sugarland, Medical Houston, and West Houston area. They accept all insurances, Medicare, Medicaid, and like I was saying, she's a kidney specialist, nephrologist. अगर आपको उनके appointment के लिए, अगर आपको आउट ऑफ स्टूडियो अगर उनसे डायरेक्टली डॉक्टर की यू नो तरह पेशेंट की तरह आपको उनसे मिलना है तो आपको अपॉइंटमेंट लेना पड़ेगा ऑफ कोर्स. एंड द नंबर इज 713-520-6875. सो डॉक्टर नम्रता, अबाउट द कोविड सिचुएशन जो चल रही है, टेल अस समथिंग लाइक व्हाट इज इट लाइक करंट, व्हाट डू यू थिंक यू नो इज we should do?
So I think, you know, now that we know this, the governor has stopped all the mandates that you don't have to wear a mask. You don't have to. But as you go to all these businesses and stuff, of course, nobody can make you do it now, thanks to the mandate, or you know, which is not great. But even if you're vaccinated, I say, and any health professional will tell you, there are variants out there, especially this Delta variant, which is 100 times more of a killer than even the original COVID was. And you can still get COVID if you are vaccinated. Doesn't matter which vaccine you got. It doesn't matter if you got Johnson & Johnson, Pfizer, or Moderna. You can still get COVID. Now, it just decreases your chances of getting very, very ill, like ICU ill. But that doesn't mean, I've still seen people go to the hospital requiring hospitalizations months after their Pfizer vaccine. So be careful, and if you are in public, private, you know, public places where it's very crowded, like you're shopping closely with other people at the mall, wear a mask. You know, wear a mask. When you're going in and out restaurants or you're waiting in line to get in a restaurant, wear a mask. When you sit down and, you know, you go to the bathroom, you don't have to. But if you can, of course, travel, and when you're traveling, you're still wearing a mask. So I recommend still wearing a mask, you know, in close spaces, still keeping your social distance 6 feet away, and you can have your close vaccinated friends over and have dinner with them, or go out to restaurants, have dinner. But again, if you're close and it's crowded, I mean, don't do something silly like a concert or with, you know, thousands of people. We're not ready. We're still in a pandemic, and this pandemic is not over.
Yes.
You know, as much as we go outside Houston, a lot of people think it's normal. The normalcy is coming back, and you know, I understand we're living with the flu. People aren't dying with that, but the other countries, the variants that are coming, that is much more deadlier than this flu. So until most of the world is vaccinated, until these variants die off, we need to keep ourselves, safe. Yeah, for sure, and keep our loved ones safe.
Absolutely.
And if you have not gotten the vaccine, please do so. No, there's no harm. There's no genetic engineering. You'll be fine. You'll be safe. My 12-year-old daughter has now received both her shots, and when it opens up for the younger kids, I will even have my 5 and 8-year-old vaccinated. So I am definitely endorsing any of the COVID vaccines.
And that's amazing you say that, because a lot of time people have that, you know, they have their inhibitions
fear,
that,
right.
but when a doctor is doing it, I mean, you got to believe that then. And me personally, I didn't believe anybody till when the vaccines came out. Yes, I had that little fear, but I know I called Dr. Namrata and she's like, nahi, tujhe vaccine lena hai. It has no issues for your future pregnancy, anything. You know, as a woman, you have those kind of issues, and I'm sure people listening out there would do too. But she told me, and I'm so glad. And you know, I think Sushil was also like, nahi, vaccine leni hai, vaccine jaldi leni hai. So thank you so much for always giving us the right advice. Now you mentioned about Delta variant. Do we have a lot of it here in Houston?
We are beginning to have a lot of it, especially in the states. Texas not as much, but the states that did not, you know, Texas and Florida, California, we were very lucky to have get the vaccine early. But the states that are still struggling to get their population vaccinated, it is on a rise. So don't let your guard down, because people are traveling.
Yeah.
You know, people from different states are coming to Houston, and you don't know. You don't know where people are coming from. So, and I know it's summertime. You want to travel. You know, please. No, no one's stopping travel. When you're coming back internationally, they are requiring a negative COVID test still, which is good. But again, mask on in airports, definitely healthcare facilities, you know, in and out, gym, if you don't know those people, wear a mask when you're passing them by, and then take it off.
Sure. Oh, thank you. That's great advice. And now talking about your specialty, which is kidney. You said kids, kidney, and Bollywood.
and treadmill.
And treadmill. But now we will talk about kidney. So when you see patients, or when people think before they get really ill, what are some symptoms related to some kind of kidney damage that just as a regular person I'm like, acha mujhe ye ho raha hai, now it's probably I should look out for Dr. Namrata. So what are those few symptoms, early stage?
What kind of look? Watch out how you're urinating. The color of your urine, bubbles while you urinate, pain on urination, and despite that, some people tend to swell. They might see in the end of the day more ankle and feet swelling, or their rings are tight. And those are first signs of sodium retention, and not necessarily that you have a kidney problem, but maybe your blood pressure is high. You're probably eating too much salt. If you're eating too much salt, your blood pressure is going to be high eventually. Even as we age, our body's not going to stay the same. And at that time, the early signs are just go to your general practitioner. They'll check your urine. If you have any sort of protein leakage, that means either diabetes or high blood pressure has already caused holes in your kidney. And that's why you're leaking protein. So, and if you can catch it early enough, we can give you medication to decrease the blood pressure in your kidney so that those holes don't get bigger and cause more damage. Because once those holes get bigger in your kidney, there's no going back. That's not reversible. I can halt it there and stop it, but it's not reversible. So do your primary care checkup. If you feel you have high blood pressure and you need a specialist, do give me a call. We do take all insurances. We have special programs for cash pay only. And blood work is not expensive. I mean, within $30 or $40, I can do your complete blood panel, even for cash pay. So you are welcome to the office. The office number is 713-520-6875. And of course, watch your sugars. I mean, don't eat too many sweets. If you feel like you're gaining weight, if you feel like your blood pressure is high, then definitely do a blood test at least once in 6 months to make sure everything is okay.
Sure. Don't start those days with your donuts and rasmalai cupcakes or gulab jamun cupcakes.
No.
But on that note, we'll take a quick song break because boss Bollywood beach mein zaruri hai. And we'll be back. We are in conversation with Dr. Namrata Sharma Goyal. This is Vanshika and mere saath hain Dole wale DJ Doli Deep. And this is for Namrata. Wow. तो टूट जाएंगे, लेकिन अगर आप अपना हेल्थ का ख्याल नहीं रखोगे तो आपके किडनी से प्रोटीन भी टूट जाएंगे. That's the best I could come up with, Cheesy, nice try. So we are talking to Dr. Namrata about kidneys and the early signs is what we were talking about. But one thing she mentioned was these alarming words like diabetes, blood pressure. So और जो हमारे देसी population में भर के होते हैं, right? I mean, so for a person like me, my age, by God's grace, I don't have it yet, but family में है. So how do I keep it in control? How do I make sure that I don't get to it? And of course, even older generation, how do they keep it in control?
Well, really, exercising, and I cannot stress how much maintaining your weight is so important. Of course, cardio, you sweat out everything. You sweat out the extra namak, pani, sab kuch chala jata hai. Nikalo usko, right. And you don't need diuretics. You don't need these medicines that a doctor has to give you to take it out forcefully, because the more I give those medicines, the more your kidney is going to ring harder and work harder. Mm-hmm. And of course, now that kidney will go more into failure, but it will get tired, like any organ. Mm-hmm. Just like your heart has to work so hard for blood pressure so high, eventually will fail ho jata hai heart. So the same kidney bhi fail ho jati, and then it's dialysis. So what I tell everybody is lose weight. Losing weight is probably the only way I've actually seen people reverse their kidney disease.
Oh wow!
Go back. The kidney function actually comes back 5-10%. It's the kidney has to work less.
वो fat का pressure चला
Fat का pressure चला जाता है, exactly. So and blood pressure का pressure, sugar का pressure, सब का pressure. So again, eat because you like to eat a few things and enjoy what you're eating. But you don't have to eat where you're so full and you can't move. Don't overeat. That's when you know that you're doing something wrong. So exercise, watch what you're eating, have 3 meals a day with a couple of snacks, so you're not overeating. You don't have. Of course, your dinner should be the lightest.
Sure.
Finish your dinner by 7:30. That's a bit basic thing. Abhi 8 baje hai. So no, by 7:30 wrap it up. And then so that you have 2-3 hours for digestion, and then you're going to bed. You can lose those calories.
Yeah.
So.
I think my personally, like, you know, yes, during COVID I have put on weight, and you know, who more than me
Who hasn't, right?
You know, because I'm always very accepting about the fact if I've lost or put on weight, because I have more, मुझसे ज़्यादा किसको पता है, right? Lekin one thing I really do, and I think I've done this for a really long time, and sometimes, you know, my friends and family get irritated about it, I know, is my early dinner habit. And like, यार इसका यही रोना रहता है कि नहीं मुझे नहीं मिलना, मेरे को नहीं खाना. But I do prefer, and for me personally, the dinner weight loss तो रहता है, maintenance रहता है, but more than that is I feel if I eat at 10 p.m. and I go to bed, I feel like, you know, acid control, you know, acid reflux रहता है. I don't feel nice about it. And my dinner is mostly protein and less carbs at that time. So I like, and I feel good the next day. So I like it. And I'm like, nahin, you know, I go out, and usually when I'm meeting friends for dinner, I'm like, नहीं ठीक है, आप लोग खाइए, I'm happy seeing you all.
Light dinner, yeah, exactly. Same here. So light dinner, you know, breakfast is heavy. You can eat the eggs, and there's no such thing as eating too much protein, unless you have a problem of, you know, your kidneys leaking too much protein. Mm-hmm. You can still eat about 80 grams a day if you're a kidney patient. If you're a normal person, you should be eating about 120, 140 grams a day of protein.
Wow.
Yeah, and if you whey protein, you can get the protein shakes. You know, they are not, you know, that protein is not bad for your kidney. Mm-hmm. So, you know, sugar is bad for your kidney, and fat is bad for your kidney. So you know, it's that old way of thinking that too much protein hurts kidneys. That's not true.
Okay, another piece of chicken breast for lunch. So we'll take a quick ad break. लेकिन जाने से पहले आमरस के बारे में बात कर लें. इतना मतलब हेल्दी खाने के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, तो आमरस के बारे में भी बात करना जरूरी है.
That's right.
And I know she likes it too.
It's a treat meal.
Treat meal, yes. At the one and only
Maharaja Bhog.
That's right.
And you like it too, Dr. Namrata?
Yes, definitely. I do like it.
For your lunches?
I allow myself, you know, a little treat once in 2 months.
And it is important, right? Yeah. Otherwise, body इसको कि खाना चाहिए. थोड़ा बहुत बीच-बीच में cheat meal is important.
I mean, you have to enjoy your life, right?
That's right. So visit them today at 8338 Southwest Freeway, 713-771-2464. That's 713-771-2464. Visit them today and experience royalty. Enjoy the best premium veg thali at Maharaja Bhog, 8338 Southwest Freeway, 713-771-2464. That's 713-771-2464. Follow them on Facebook. Again, Maharaja Bhog, 713-771-2464. We're going to take a quick short break. Back with more on Namaste Radio. Keep it locked here.
Namaste Radio.
On 99.5 FM.
Gotta get it.
Visit Maharaja Bhog today and enjoy the best premium veg thali and experience royalty with an unlimited sit-down thali.
Dine in like a king and queen at Maharaja Bhog. Different kind of unlimited items on the menu every day. All safety guidelines are being followed.
Located at 8338 Southwest Freeway. Delivery available via Uber Eats, Grubhub and Faber apps. To-go boxes bhi available hain. For details, call 713-771-2464 and follow Maharaja Bhog on Facebook.
Eat like royalty. Only at
Maharaja Bhog.
Dr. Namrata Sharma Goyal at Kidney Health Center has over 15 years expertise in blood pressure control, kidney stone and kidney transplant management, hemo and peritoneal dialysis, specializing in chronic kidney disease from diabetes, high blood pressure, and autoimmune diseases. They promote the use of advanced technology in their business practice and treat their patients with a customized approach. All insurances, Medicare and Medicaid accepted. They have 3 convenient locations for you in Sugar Land, Medical Center, and West Houston area. For Dr. Namrata Sharma Goyal, board certified in nephrology, visit their website at bozenhealth.com or call 713-520-6875 for appointments. That's 713-520-6875.
आज अमित ने अपना वैक्सीनेशन करवाया क्योंकि सब लोग 12 इयर्स एंड ओल्डर कोविड-19 वैक्सीन के लिए एलिजिबल हैं। अमित ने फिर वैक्सीन का लोकेशन पता किया अपनी बहन के लिए। उसकी बहन ने अपनी बेस्ट फ्रेंड को लिंक भेजा, जिसने अपनी बिजनेस पार्टनर को रिमाइंड किया, हु देन गॉट एन अपॉइंटमेंट अपने भाई के लिए, जिन्होंने शेयर किया अपने You get the idea. अब वक्त आया है to let our friends and family know कि vaccines prevent nearly 100% of hospitalizations and deaths from COVID. We can do this. अपने निकट vaccines पाने के लिए आज ही vaccines.gov पर जाएं. Paid for by the US Department of Health and Human Services.
गौरी सिद्धि विनायक टेम्पल ऑफ ह्यूस्टन आप सबको आमंत्रित करता है। हिंदू वेडिंग सेरेमनी हो या एंगेजमेंट, सत्यनारायण पूजा हो या गायत्री हवन, बेबी शावर पूजा हो या वास्तु शांति, लक्ष्मी पूजा हो या गणपति पूजा, या जीवन में सिर्फ पॉजिटिविटी लानी हो, आज ही कॉल करें पंडित प्रदीप पांड्या जी को 8324669868। गौरी सिद्धि विनायक टेम्पल लोकेटेड है 5645 हिलक्रॉफ्ट एवेन्यू स्वीट 701 पे। डिटेल्स के लिए फॉलो करें गौरी सिद्धि विनायक टेम्पल फेसबुक पे। तो आज ही कॉल करें पंडित प्रदीप पांड्या जी को 8324669868। जय श्री गणेश।
गणपति नमो नमः, श्री सिद्धि विनायक नमो नमः।
कौन हो तुम? रिश्ते में तो हम तुम्हारे बाप होते हैं, नाम है
Namaste Radio.
नमस्ते नमस्ते, वेलकम बैक। दिस इज वंशिका, मेरे साथ हैं दीप एंड आज हम दोनों के साथ हैं डॉक्टर नम्रता शर्मा गोयल। लॉट ऑफ फन, lot of masti happening, and at the same time one thing which always is with us is the positivity of everything in life. तो हमेशा पॉजिटिव रहिए और एक जगह ज़रूर अगर आपको पॉजिटिव नहीं फील हो रहा है आप इनसे बात करके पॉजिटिव ज़रूर हो जाएंगे। आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट पंडित प्रदीप पांड्या जी एट गौरी सिद्धि विनायक टेम्पल लोकेटेड इन ह्यूस्टन। सॉरी, मैं ना आज उल्टा पुल्टा ही हो रहा है मेरा, लेकिन कोई बात नहीं। ह्यूस्टन में है, हिलक्रॉफ्ट में है, वो शुगरलैंड में भी हैं, वो यहाँ भी हैं, वो वहाँ भी हैं, आप जहाँ हैं वो वहाँ हैं। सो पंडित प्रदीप पांड्या जी को आप कॉल करिए 8324669868। चाहे किसी भी तरीके की पूजा हो और मंदिर विजिट कर सकते हैं आप। इट इज़ लोकेटेड एट 5645 हिलक्रॉफ्ट एवेन्यू स्वीट 701। The best way to get more information about Gauri Siddhi Vinayak Temple of Houston is follow them on Facebook and Instagram. And we want to thank Pandit Pradeep Pandya ji for always blessing us and supporting us. तो बात कर रहे थे हम डॉक्टर नम्रता से about her, professional life, and also she gave us great points about, your health. Now there's something on the personal side which is always very exciting to me. काफ़ी अचीवमेंट्स उन्होंने करे हैं, तो सबसे पहले तो आपको कंग्रेचुलेशंस डॉक्टर नम्रता, बिकॉज लाइक आई हैव ऑलवेज सेड
आई वन
जैकपॉट में सब आ गए, बट लाइक आई हैव ऑलवेज सेड आई ऑलवेज गेट एडमायर्ड by everything you've done, and as more and more that I know you, सीखने को मिलता है and motivation मिलता है. So congratulations for everything, all the achievements. First thing about your professional life, please share with us, why did you think of becoming a doctor? Why did you choose this line?
Vanshika, really started from my love for science in general, biology, anything. I had social science, social studies, whatever it had to do with in school, right? I was in 5th grade, and I just kind of was driven towards science, physical science, anything, chemistry. So that's where it started from. I was not good at math, for sure. I still count like this, my friends that know that. So, and thanks to the iPhone now, we don't really have to count. So, but yeah, I just love science, and I was driven, and I think even my parents they knew, I told them when I was in 5th grade, I said, I want to be a doctor. I've just decided. Mm-hmm. And my parents like, Tika, you're young, we'll see. And I said, no, I'm pretty sure. And in that way, I do give my parents credit that they never pushed me in a direction, and same with my brother. Mm-hmm. They let us make our own choices. A career, you do what you want to do, but be focused. If you're going to do it, then put your 100% into it, and focus, and work towards your goal. And in that way, my parents helped me a lot. My dad and mom both supported me. I just had to study. That was my only job at home. No chores, no washing dishes, no washing clothes, no making, trying to learn cooking. My dad, I would want to learn to cook with my mom. When Dad's like, nope, Uber, you have a test, go sit and study, your mom's here, she'll handle the kitchen. So that way I really, thanks to my dad, because it's usually, the father, and then the wife follows. So, and my mom, of course, is I follow her footsteps. She's always been a self-made woman. When she came, the country, and she's opened up successful businesses of her own in the travel industry. And who does not know Neelu and Ashok Sharma in the travel field? They were the best, and they still are. So, and then that's where I get it from. If I can even follow their footsteps and even achieve 20% of their success, I feel like I'm successful in what I do. So I enjoy it.
That's so beautiful.
I enjoy both the kids and the kidney part.
So thank you Neelu auntie, and thank you Ashok uncle for all that support. आपके वजह से डॉक्टर नम्रता से हमें बात करने का यहाँ पे today we are here probably because of all that support. So thank you so much for that. And she's a successful doctor. And she mentioned इनके 3 प्यारे प्यारे बच्चे हैं, इनके handsome पति है अंकुर. She's like लेकिन उसके साथ साथ in spite of all of this, she even takes out time for the community. She gives back, and that was something that I really love about her. चाहे वो Magic Bus हो, चाहे वो प्रथम हो, चाहे वो India House हो. These are just 3 that I can count, but there are way too many. She, makes sure she's a part of this. She gives back, she donates, she gives her time. So tell us a little bit about that. And before that, before you say anything, I want to congratulate, I'm sure Deep joins me, Sushil joins me, and everybody in Houston should join me because she is the youngest and the only woman appointed at the Executive Committee of India House Houston as the treasurer of India House. So congratulations, Dr. Namrata.
Thank you so much. It is an honor that they have thought of me. I am filling in shoes, very big shoes that I have to fill for our very sweet and uncle passed away, Mr. Rajendra Soni. Yes, so I've been asked to fill his position, and they're big shoes to fill, and I hope I continue his legacy that he has started in India House, and he was a big supporter of the younger generation, being more involved with the Indian community, and continuing our just not even our traditions, our bringing our younger children and showing them, reminding them what India is about, and where they came from and their roots, reminding them of their roots. And India House is doing a great job with that, and the programs that they have for the community, not just for Indians, but for the whole community.
Absolutely. Soni uncle, again, we miss you. And like you said, he actually supported Namaste Radio from day one. Hamesha Mata ki chauki, and he'll be like, nahi beta, ye karna hai, wo karna hai. So with everything, and always motivated us. So of course, उनकी कमी नहीं कोई पूरी कर सकता.
Right.
But at the same time, we know for sure you'll do a great job. And I know how excited my dad has been, and he's always talking so fondly about you. So again, congratulations.
Thank you.
And now tell us, how do you manage all of this with all these organizations? घर बच्चे हैं, your professional life is very busy. So how do you manage all of that?
I just honestly staying active, eating well, sleeping on time, and my cardio. I'm organized. I have to say it's a talent maybe. I try to set up time. I make notes. I put on my calendar. I try to organize my day, that ye karna hai, and I try not to put too much on my plate, and I can still spend time with my kids. So that's something that I have to work on every day, not to put too much on my plate. And I like to give, and I can't say no. So I'd like to give my time to anybody who needs it, whether it's advice or support or any kind of community service. So I enjoy it. So it's nice. Thank you.
And who's your biggest support? Of course, parents hote hain, but uske alawa.
I couldn't do it without. It takes a village. It takes a village to help me from what I do. Of course, parents give out. My in-laws are a very big support. Ankur is definitely a very big support throughout all this, and everybody, all my friends know that. So thank you, all of you, my friends, family. Love you guys.
Absolutely. Thank you. Maybe use friend में
Of course.
I'm like taking the, diving right into the credit. But again, thank you for everything. And on this note, we'll take a quick song break, and then we will be back talking more with Dr. Namrata.
So was this chick chick chick? This
तो आज हमने डॉक्टर नम्रता का फन बॉलीवुड साइड भी देखा है एंड मस्ती साइड देखा है. शी इज़ एन अमेजिंग कूल ब्यूटीफुल गर्ल दैट आई नो हु इज़ प्रोफेशनली इतनी अकम्पलिश्ड हैं, लेकिन एट द सेम टाइम व्हाट आई लव अबाउट हर इज शी इज सो डाउन टू अर्थ. एंड हमने उनसे उनकी थोड़ी पर्सनल बातें भी करी आज. तो बिफोर वी मूव ऑन टू आवर गिव अवे सेक्शन विद जो सबसे पहले वी विल टेस्ट डॉक्टर नम्रता ओनली वापस से उनकी बॉलीवुड नॉलेज के बारे में. लेकिन फिर से आई वांट टू गिव आउट द नंबर दैट यू कैन कॉल एंड गेट अपॉइंटमेंट्स एंड सी डॉक्टर नम्रता इज 713-520-6875 713-520-6875. And she's very helpful. I know personally how she's gone out and helped people on weekends भी होता है. She's like yes, I'm कुछ भी आपको help चाहिए, she's there. So now Dr. Namrata, हम लोग एक बॉलीवुड की क्विक क्विज करेंगे जिसमें people from Houston, सारे Houston वासी, they can call and win. And क्या जीतेंगे संदीप? What are we giving away today?
I think we are giving away. We are giving a gift certificate, right?
Yes, we are giving away a $20 gift certificate to Arling's Chinese Cuisine. कौन नहीं चाहता Arling's? तो
yummy.
Right? आप ध्यान से सुनिए. So हम एक मूवी का डायलॉग बजाएंगे and all you have to guess is the name of the movie. It's first come first. So जो कॉल करेगा उसे. The number, let's give out the number.
713-974-4000. I'll play the dialogue. You call in, you WhatsApp us 713-974-4000, and just tell us the movie name.
Yeah. But the first one is just an example.
This is an example, so I'll play this.
Yeah.
Let's see if you can guess.
We just want to test Dr. Namrata.
See if I can figure this out.
Thank you. Thank you.
Huh? दोस्ती का कुछ सुले मैडम. No sorry, no thank you. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
You know them?
Of course. मैंने प्यार किया.
Yeah.
Wow, very good.
No, you're right. I clicked the right one.
That was right. मैंने प्यार किया, and that's how easy the game is.
Yeah. So we'll play the dialogue, and just like we played that one, she said the movie name. You have to do the same. I'm going to play a second dialogue now. Call in 713-974-4000. Give us the movie name, and you will win if you are correct.
If you're correct, and the first person wins $20 gift certificate to Arling's Chinese.
You win if you hear this. You don't win if you hear this. There you go.
Yeah. But don't. None of us should say it on air, okay? If we know the answer.
Yeah, so I'm gonna play the second dialogue now. You have to give me the movie name, and here it goes.
अम्मी जान कहती थी कोई धंधा छोटा नहीं होता और धंधे से बड़ा कोई धर्म नहीं होता। अब यही मेरा कलमा है और यही मेरा मज़हब।
That's right.
Call. I guessed it. I think Dr. Namrata के इशारों से पता चल रहा है कि she can guess it too. बहुत ही famous actor है, one of the best Bollywood icons. मैं already बहुत clues दे रही हूँ. तो we have a call already?
Yes, I think we do. Namaste Radio. Who's this?
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, hi. This is Arup.
Sorry, this is Arup?
Arup Gupta. Yeah.
Arup Gupta. Gupta. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
How are you?
How are you?
Good. How are you doing?
Doing good. आप लगता है ड्राइव कर रहे हैं.
Yeah, I am.
अच्छा, कहाँ जा रहे हैं सर?
I'm just going outside.
अच्छा, outside. मुझे लगा ही आप ड्राइव करके तो बाहर ही जाएंगे. लेकिन thank you for listening and of course calling in. तो were you able to guess?
Yeah, the first one was मैंने प्यार किया. Second one was right.
Very good. And कौन कह रहा है ये डायलॉग?
Well, the second one was Shah Rukh Khan. First one was Salman.
Yeah.
Very good, very good. आप जीत चुके हैं सर. आप आलिंस जाके आप खाना पीना खा सकते हैं, लेकिन उसके लिए आपको नमस्ते रेडियो के फेसबुक पेज पे मैसेज करना पड़ेगा. And I will send you the gift certificate.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you for participating. Keep listening.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye bye. So that was easy.
Easy.
We have two more giveaways. लेकिन we'll take.
Does anybody remember the girl with Salman Khan and
Bhagyashri?
Bhagyashri. Yeah, that's right.
Thank you.
The one of those one-hit wonders, right?
I think she lives in the U.S. now.
Does she?
I think she lives in Texas actually.
Oh.
About it, yeah.
Then I think Deep ke saath wo touch me. What do you think? Huh? He does so much.
We're having lunch after.
Very touchy lunch. Very touchy.
Bhagyashri will do lunch.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
So let's take an ad break and we'll be back with two more giveaways. So stay tuned, people.
That's right. Stay tuned. Namaste Radio. Keep it locked.
Namaste Radio on 99.5 FM. Keep it locked.
Arey yaar, I had a long day at work. I need a spot to relax.
I want to meet up with my friends, but I can't think of a place. Or maybe I just want to get out and enjoy some positive vibes.
Don't worry, I have the right spot for you. Bob's Lounge and Grill.
Bob's Lounge and Grill?
That's right, Bob's Lounge and Grill. They have a full-size bar, hookah, delicious menu with Indian, Chinese and Goan dishes. और साथ में म्यूजिक भी है.
Wow, sounds delicious.
Located at 6401 Hillcroft Avenue. Call 281-974-4918. That's 281-974-4918. Or visit them at bobsloungeandgrill.com. Like Bob's Lounge and Grill on Facebook and Instagram.
आज अमित ने अपना वैक्सीनेशन करवाया क्योंकि सब लोग 12 इयर्स एंड ओल्डर कोविड-19 वैक्सीन के लिए एलिजिबल हैं। अमित ने फिर वैक्सीन का लोकेशन पता किया अपनी बहन के लिए। उसकी बहन ने अपनी बेस्ट फ्रेंड को लिंक भेजा, जिसने अपनी बिजनेस पार्टनर को रिमाइंड किया हु देन गॉट एन अपॉइंटमेंट अपने भाई के लिए, जिन्होंने शेयर किया अपने यू गेट द आइडिया। अब वक्त आया है टू लेट आवर फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली नो कि वैक्सीन्स प्रिवेंट नियरली 100% ऑफ हॉस्पिटलाइजेशंस एंड डेथ्स फ्रॉम कोविड। We can do this. अपने निकट वैक्सीन पाने के लिए आज ही vaccines.gov पर जाएं. Paid for by the US Department of Health and Human Services.
Welcome to India House Houston. India House is a non-profit organization that serves the community by bringing resources, education and services to Houstonians like health and fitness programs, language classes, charity clinic and various events. Help the community now. Sponsor a program or volunteer for free food distribution at India House. Host your next indoor or outdoor events at India House facility, parties, weddings or corporate events. Located centrally at 8888 West Belford, Houston. For details, call 713-929-1900 or visit indiahouseinc.org. Follow India House Houston on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.
Classy Divas Salon and Spa invites you for a refreshing facial experience with a papaya facial as a part of our Facial of the Month deal. Available any Tuesday in the month of June for just $30.
Classy Divas Salon and Spa is open Tuesday through Friday, 12 noon to 7 p.m. and Saturday and Sunday from 12 noon to 6 p.m.
For appointments, please text 856-693-8970. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram for the latest updates.
Working from home? Cooking in the kitchen? Working out? Or just need something to listen to at home? Now listen to Namaste Radio on Amazon Alexa products. Hey Alexa, enable Namaste Radio Live. That's right. Listen to us anywhere in the world on Amazon Alexa products.
जब भी कोई लड़की देखूं मेरा दिल दीवाना बोले
Really?
ओले ओले ओले. ये गाना दीप के ऊपर सेट बैठता है, right?
That's what I think. It does, yeah.
It does. And ऐसी ही प्यारी प्यारी बातों के साथ हम वापस आ चुके हैं on the airwaves.
You can't say no. I mean, you've been caught red-handed.
No.
बात अभी भी line है.
I'm just waiting. Hopefully they don't leave by the time.
So yes, you are listening to Namaste Radio and यहाँ पे बहुत मस्ती चल रही है आज. And this part of the show is brought to you by Classy Diva Salon and Spa located in KT. For their specials and papaya facial for only $30. Call them at 281-646-0100. It's for only on Tuesdays. You have another Tuesday papaya facial. It's amazing. Go check it out. Follow them on Facebook and Instagram. So let's continue our giveaway.
Yeah.
हम एक हमारे गुप्ता जी विन कर चुके हैं. उनका first name, sorry, I forgot. I am so sorry.
Arup.
Arup,
yeah.
yes. So please message on Namaste Radio's Facebook page. If I don't get your message, I won't be able to send you the gift card. So message on Namaste Radio's Facebook page. Now the second dialogue and the number दे दो यार फिर से.
Studio line is 713-974-4000. Last one we did was Shah Rukh Khan and Rais, right?
Yes. And if you've already participated, वापस मत कॉल करिएगा, दूसरों को जाने दीजिए. Eileen's please.
That's right. Let's
Come on,
get
guys,
into.
call. Eileen's gift card. Otherwise, I'll use it up.
I like her. This side of her also.
That's right. 713-974-4000. Call if you know this movie name. The third dialogue is.
मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड शादी कर रही है और वो भी उस बंदे से जिससे मैं प्यार करती हूँ और मैं नहीं आती. चलो अब अपना हीरो बोलो.
हाँ तुम मीरा, मैं जो बोलना चाहता हूँ, नहीं एक्चुअली मैं जो सोच रहा हूँ,
शादी
तू ही कर ले प्रपोज. हाँ देखो, जो सबको लगता है हमारे बारे में, मेरे घर वालों को, जो मुझे भी लगता है.
बहुत इजी है यार.
तू समझ रही है ना?
नहीं.
मीरा
क्या?
के देख, मैं जैसे पहले था, हाँ है कि नहीं? करेक्ट है?
सेफ है, इतना तो मुझे पता है.
जो खड़ा हूँ यहाँ, तुझे बहुत मजा आ रहा है ना? हाँ जब खुद करना पड़ेगा ना
तो करो ना.
तो करने देना.
मैं रोक रही हूँ.
सर पे खड़ी है मेरे. नर्वस कर रही है.
Yep, that was the third dialogue. What movie was that? You call us in the studio, 713-974-4000. I think you both know. You know.
Yeah. I was confused for a second, and then I'm like,
Yeah.
One of those two that are kind of similar.
I think थोड़ा clue देने के लिए नहीं कॉल आ गई है. मुझे लगा Houston वाले सो रहे.
Namaste Radio. Who's this?
Hi, this is Guria.
This is Guria?
Yeah.
Hi. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. How are you doing today?
I'm on my way to work.
Oh, on the way to work. So, and the best thing you're doing is listening to Namaste Radio. Thank you so much. So, do you know कौन सी movie का dialogue है?
हाँ, कल हो ना हो.
No. Sorry?
Saif Ali Khan and Preeti Zinta.
No, it's not that one.
सैफ तो है बट प्रीति नहीं है. But it's okay. आपने कॉल किया उसके लिए बहुत 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 thank you. We will try again. We have another one, so try again. So we'll take another caller. Let's see if they can guess it right.
Namaste Radio. Who's this?
Hey, Deep, how you doing?
Good. How are you?
I'm doing wonderful, alhamdulillah. This is Salman, and the right answer is, this is from Cocktail, and it's a dialogue between Saif Ali Khan and Dipta Padukone.
That's right. Good job. Good job, Salman. So where are you listening from right now, Salman?
I'm actually on my way to work. My part-time job, my full-time job is a radio jockey at Radio Dabang, and now I'm going to my part-time job currently.
Awesome.
Wonderful.
Awesome.
Thank you for listening to Namaste Radio and Salman.
You're doing a great job.
Thank you. But do messages on Namaste Radio's Facebook page and we'll send you a gift certificate for Owling's Chinese Cuisine.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Good job.
So that's right.
That
With
was Cocktail. Yeah. And Deepika Padukone, Saif and Diana Penty.
Yeah.
And हमारे पास टाइम कम है लेकिन एक और एक जल्दी से कर देते हैं.
Yes, to one
Okay.
more.
Yeah.
Last dialogue here. Last chance to win that Allings gift certificate. Studio line 713-974-4000. Here is the next dialogue.
तेरी हट गई है क्या? ढाबे में मेरे हाथ का थप्पड़ खाया, फिर गाड़ी में मेरा पीछा किया, फिर आग में जाके कूदा और अब आ गया मेरे गाड़ी के सामने जान देने.
तो तूने सब नोटिस किया?
तू जानता है मैं कौन हूँ? हाँ?
तू लड़की, मैं लड़का, और क्या चाहिए?
अपने आप को देखा है क्या कभी? तेरी तो हाइट भी नहीं मिलती मुझसे.
हाँ.
ये अच्छा लगता है मेरे को पार्ट.
तो तू सिर्फ अमिताभ बच्चन से प्यार करेगी? तेरा वजन देखा है? मैंने कुछ बोला? मैं भी तो एडजस्ट कर रहा हूँ ना.
तू है क्या?
I think we have a caller.
Yeah, that's right. So yes, that one was it. Let's see if this caller has the right answer. Namaste Radio. Who is this?
Yeah, namaste. This is Manish.
Hi, Manish.
Hi. This dialogue is from R. Rajkumar.
That's right. Good job.
And
That's it.
कौन बोल रहे हैं ये डायलॉग आपको पता है?
Yeah, Shahid and Sonakshi Sinha.
That's right. Good job. Good job.
सोनाक्षी पसंद है आपको?
Yeah, I mean, yeah, she's good. Yeah.
मोटी है, थोड़ा एडजस्ट करना पड़ता है.
Not that, but yeah.
But thank you so much, Manish, for calling in. Please messages on Namaste Radio's Facebook page and we'll send you the gift certificate.
Sure, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So thank you everybody for participating. आपने notice
That one
किया?
I did not know. I didn't see that one. I didn't see this one.
I didn't
Is
see
it
the
old?
movie either, but yeah.
It was a cute
I missed
movie.
it.
It has some nice songs too. लेकिन आपने notice it is that movie साड़ी के फूल सा.
I know the song.
Yeah. And then Gandhi Baat.
गंदी बात.
Yeah.
आपने notice किया आज सारे लड़के जीते, मतलब लड़कियां कहाँ रह गई तुम?
लड़कियां चाय बना रही हैं अभी, I think still.
We almost had
Come on, girls.
one winner. She
Girl
got it
power.
wrong, but yeah.
Yeah,
That's
she did try.
Yeah.
Yes.
But before we move further, and हमारे पास आखिरी 8 मिनट ही बचे हैं हमारे शो के आज. Again, we want to thank India House Houston for supporting us, and we want to thank Hasu Patel ji for sponsoring this ad. Visit India House की website www.indiahouseinc.org. Follow them on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. They have food distribution, amazing programs, online classes, yoga, Zumba. बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं और हमारे साथ उनके एग्जीक्यूटिव कमेटी की ट्रेजरर बैठी हुई हैं डॉक्टर नम्रता शर्मा गोयल. तो ज़रूर इंडिया हाउस को सपोर्ट करिए या उनके वेन्यू पे पार्टी करिए, शादी करिए, जो करना करिए. कम्युनिटी को ही हेल्प होता है. सो डेफिनेटली नाउ डॉक्टर नम्रता, we want to again thank you.
Thank you, Vanshika. Thank you.
टाइम निकाल के आई हैं आप.
Of course, it was fun. We had a great time.
We did, and we should do this more, right?
Yeah.
We should have Dr.
Definitely.
Namrata come back very soon.
Definitely.
Of course.
And
we'll have Sushil join us next time.
Oh yes,
I know he's missing the fun.
And I must tell you all, more than me and Dr. Namrata, when we meet, off air, privately, मैंने देखा है सुशील और डॉक्टर नम्रता, they have a lot of fun because ये दोनों पंजाबी जब मिलते हैं ना, बड़ी मस्ती करते हैं. So yes, I know we miss Sushil here today. Next time he should be here.
Yes.
So again, thank you so much, and keep doing the great work.
Thank you.
And
Thank
wish
you,
you
guys.
all the success.
Thank you.
And the key is thank you for supporting Namaste Radio.
Of course, you guys are doing a great job, and
she has
keep it
supported
up.
us since the inception of Namaste, actually.
So, of course, you
thank
guys
you.
deserve doing a great job, and thank you for bringing the community to Houston every Saturday.
Thank you.
10 to
Thank
12.
you.
Thank you.
And we did this mental health awareness series sponsored by India House and Hope Clinic in May because it was the mental health awareness month.
Okay.
But I want to announce today that after a lot of success, we are coming back with it next month in July.
Oh, that's good.
So we will be doing an additional hour after our show, focusing just on mental health.
Perfect.
Talking to different, experts on mental health. So I'm so excited about it, and again, we want to thank India House and Hope Clinic for sponsoring it, and Hog Foundation for sponsoring it. So thank you so
Wonderful.
much.
Wonderful. Thank you.
And जाने से पहले आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
Thank you for having me, and everybody out there. Live your life, eat, pray, work, whatever you do, whatever you have to do. But stay healthy and keep your mask on still, because the pandemic is not over. Thank you.
Thank you. And Deep?
Nothing much I'm going to say. Just thank you, Dr. Namita, for coming.
Of course.
It was fun. And yes, you have to come back very soon. Very, very soon. And we
Would
still
love
have to
to,
do
thank you.
we still have to go to Marajabo, Galings, do all that too, right?
Oh, yes. The carb treat.
The carb treats. That's right. Do want to remind everybody, PSPC bookkeeping is still, if you need extensions done on your taxes or if you need company formation, all the good stuff, call them at 281-580-8700 and tell them you heard it here on Namaste Radio. For myself, just like Namita said, stay positive, stay happy, live your life, and as I always say, no matter what, hashtag always up, hashtag never down, can't stop, won't stop.
That's right. And I want to also remind before we go today about Habibi Kitchen. It's this weekend. They have this special buy 2 falafel sandwich and get 1 free. तो आप ये Saturday मतलब आज जाइए या कल जाइए. This is the offer. They are located at 16227 Lexington Boulevard. Their number is 832-999-4161. But if you have any doubts, you can follow them on Facebook, Instagram, and get there. And Dr. Namrata, do try their food.
I will, for sure.
Habibi Kitchen. And that'll be, amazing food.
Yummy,
they have.
yummy.
Yes, yummy. And thank you to Houston. Thank you to everybody. Again, thank you, Dr. Namrata.
Thank you, guys.
Thank
Had
you,
fun.
Deep.
Thank you.
This show was amazing. And if you have any feedback, if you, कुछ पसंद आया, कुछ नहीं पसंद आया, please हमें Namaste Radio के Facebook पेज पे मैसेज करिए, or you could email us at namasteradio3@gmail.com and we'll be more than happy. And of course, ये हमारी एक छोटी सी कोशिश रहती है to connect with the community, to give out those important messages, to talk to people about their professional lives, their personal lives, whatever we want to share, mental health awareness. We do this from all love and, from the bottom of our heart. And आपको कुछ share करना है, do messages on our Namaste Radio page, Facebook page. And thank you so much for always coming back and tuning in every Saturday on 99.5 FM, on our Facebook Live, our apps, our website. And पूरे हफ्ते आप सुन सकते हैं, right? Non-stop
That's right.
music.
That's right. On our digital platforms, our iPhone, Android app, our website, namasteradiohouston.com, or if you have any Alexa-enabled product, doesn't have to be an Amazon one, could be a Sonos speaker, any type of device that has an Alexa enabled, then just tell her to play Namaste Radio Live and listen to the good music throughout the week, and then you hear our live show every Saturday at 10 a.m.
That's right. Signing off today, this is Vanshika with Deep and our very, very special co-host today, Dr. Namrata Sharma Goel. Bye and namaste.
Namaste, everyone.
Have a good week. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.